What's up, guys? Today we're going to be trying to put on the stage 1 kit I got from China, Amazon, because everything on there is China. I did try doing this before, but whatever jet it came with was not right at all. It was just freaking out. So I'm going to try to drill out the jet just a little bit, and then we're going to see how it goes. First of all, you want to grab your 10 millimeter and pull off these 2 bolts right there. Or nuts. And when you do this, make sure you have your choke on and your gas off, because it'll make it easier to pull off the air box. And before you pull off the air box, make sure to disconnect this vacuum hose from the valve cover. Valve cover hose off, or breather, and these are off. So you can just pull it straight off, and you will not need this anymore. Next, you should keep the 10 millimeter on hand, because you will have to take out this bowl nut and drain all your gas out. I forgot to add this earlier before I talked about taking off the bowl. When you take off the bowl, make sure your gas is off. If your gas is on, and crack it real quick, it will come out. So yeah, make sure you have the gas off. When you take off the bowl, there will be a little rubber round seal or gasket that goes on this. Make sure to keep an eye on that and do not lose it. Mine did not come out when I took this off, but I'm just going to make sure that I'm 100% sure it is in there before I put everything back together. Next, make sure you have a small flathead, small enough to get up into this little shaft thing where the jet and the main jet are. After you find your jet that came with your kit, which the camera's not focusing, I actually drilled it out because, like I said before, I think I drilled it way too big. I mean, you can literally see that. Totally forgot to show the process of putting it back. I'm going to put a picture on screen of how you want to put the main jet in, and then the little one. But you just put it up there, screw it back in, and then grab your bowl. Make sure it is not dirty. Mine is good now. Pop it back up there, put the screw back in the bottom, and then we'll hop onto the process of this and this. Next, you have to get your little air filter adapter here, or whatever it's called. And then you gotta find this little tiny bolt that screws onto it, and then this little lever that holds down the choke will go right here. The reason that little lever is there to hold the choke is because the old airbox has a way of holding this down, but this one doesn't, so it will just fly off like that. It just pops on and off really easy. See, if I push this on to the studs and then I lay this down, it covers that, and if we tighten that little thing, this won't come out. After you have gotten this lever and tighten that bolt in the back, you can put the original nuts back onto here. Make sure you tighten these evenly so it applies even pressure. Now I'm talking to see if my huge jet is too big. Way too much fuel. Okay, so one overnighted package from Amazon later. This thing is gonna be running perfectly now that I have jets that I can mess with. So yeah, oh, that missed completely. Also, I did some touch-up paint so it is off the ground. It's floating, wow. Okay, so the stage 1 kit is complete. I got the filters on and the header on. But yeah, we're gonna ride around and see how it goes. I fixed my alignment, so now it, like, before it rolled perfectly fine, but now it rolls even more better. Not warm. So yeah. Oh. We'll let it warm up though, just ride around. So how straight is it? So it goes straight. It still turns left pretty bad. It's like there's so much vibration because the engine's just, now it's on the frame instead of having a little riser plate. It's really quick now. There's no more top, there's not any top speed because it still has the governor, but it's quick. I mean, like, it goes little launch here. Get my tires wet in that a little bit. I don't know if it'll be enough to do like a donut, but we'll try. Alright, speed test on the grass. Hey! What's up, guys? Welcome to the end of the video. I know this is very abrupt end to the video. Thank you for watching this video. Oh my god, I'm tripping on a 4-ton jack. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you like this video, like it and subscribe, so I know to make more videos like this, like tutorials or something. I think this is a great investment. I mean, off Go Power Sports, if you want to get a genuine one, it's like $30 to $40, which I think for the improvement is perfect. I mean, it's just straight bolt on. I did have to buy new jets because I got this off China, like Amazon, whatever. But it is super good, and I think you should get it. I forget the word, but yes, thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Bye. I'm leaving. Bye.